How to tunnel OPC DA, connecting the OPC client to the OPC server. First, download and install Cogent DataHub software on both the server and client computers. We will start on the OPC DA server machine by connecting to the server. Start the DataHub, and from the Properties window, select the OPC DA option. Then select Act as an OPC client to these servers, and click the Add button. Choose an OPC server. Set a maximum update of 100 milliseconds for now. Leave the other options at the default settings. Manually select the points you want to connect to. Or choose Load all items on server. Click OK and Apply. Click View Data to see your data in the data browser. Now we will configure this DataHub as the tunnel master. Still on the OPC server computer, select the tunnel/mirror option, and make sure Accept Plaintext Connections is configured for port 4502. Be sure that port is opened in the firewall. Click Apply. In the Properties window, select Security and then click the Configure button. Under Users, click the Add button to add a built-in user. Enter a username and password. Uncheck the Require TOTP authentication box because this is a non-interactive connection. Then click OK. In the roles, check the All Data Full Access box. Then click OK. The OPC server side is now configured as the tunnel master. Next we will connect the tunnel from the OPC client computer. Switch to that computer. On the OPC client computer, start the DataHub, and from the Properties window, select the tunnel/mirror option. Make sure the Act as a tunnel/mirror slave option is checked, and click the Add Master button. Enter the IP address or computer name for the primary host. That is the tunnel master, the computer where the other DataHub instance is running. For now, keep the local data domain here on the slave as default, the same as the remote data domain on the master. Enter the username and password for the networked user that you created on the master. For the data flow direction, choose which way you want the data to flow, from master to here on the slave, read only, or from here on the slave to the master, write only, or both, read-write. When the connection is initiated, when it first starts, you want to get all values from the master. So choose that option. When the connection is lost, you want to mark the data quality for all points here on the slave as not connected. So choose that option. You can ignore the rest of the options for now. Click OK and Apply. Click View Data to see the data coming across the tunnel from the OPC server. The data is now updating on this DataHub on the OPC client computer. For the final step, we will connect the OPC DA client. In the DataHub Properties window on the OPC client machine, select OPC DA and check the box for Act as an OPC server. Then click Apply. In your OPC client, connect to the OPC server named Cogent DataHub 1. Add a group, then select your items. Now you are connected. OPC DA server data is being tunneled across the network to the OPC DA client.